Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and this Island Hopper water bouncer is just what my family needed to make summer even better. I'm so thrilled with how durable this is. When it first arrived, the box was manageable, and I really appreciated the storage bag because it made it so much easier to lift and load. And right away, I could feel how much heavier the fabric is compared to the other islands that I've owned in the past. The company was so quick to respond to my questions, and they explained that their bouncers are built like a whitewater boat with heavier fabric and reinforced material, and many use them for commercial use. I may not be using it for commercial use, but with 4 kiddos in the household, it certainly proved to be very durable. It's weathered 90-degree temperatures, and it doesn't feel any different in extreme heat. I've had islands in the past that deflate, and the material feels really thin in that kind of heat, but not this one. It has a spring valve that made it really easy to inflate and keep the air in. I used my air compressor and a shop vac. They both worked great, and the shop vac actually had it filled within 15 minutes. The reinforced handles made it easy to carry and for pulling yourself up out of the water. The ladder was sturdy and it was really easy to climb onto the island. The stainless steel D-rings are all around the raft and can be used to anchor or to attach to a boat for lake use, or the company even sells accessories that work really well with these D-rings. And I love that it's got material and padding covering the webbing that holds the jump surface in place. It's really comfortable to sit on. You're gonna love it too, and that is my point of view.